Investor.com, guys. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Hope you guys are all crushing it. You guys have been trading so far. Oh, baby, we got a lot to talk about. We got a lot to go over, man. Wednesday, Money Wednesday in the house, guys. Top into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, guys, like I was saying, man, I hope you guys are all having an amazing, amazing day. So far, nothing much. Market did just open, so can't really say too much going in. It's been a great week. You know, it's been a short week, 2-day week. Yesterday wasn't a bad day. It was choppy, I will say that at least. Yesterday was choppy. If you go back to it, let's look at these charts. Coming back, this is on a 1-minute time frame. As you see, no clear direction. Ended up falling off a little bit going into market open today. So, we're going to see where the market decides to take us today, man. Economic data on the day, nothing too crazy either. Taking a look here. Going to go here, load that up. Economic calendar for the day. Coming here to economic calendar. Loading that up for you guys. As you guys see here, if we go back for the U.S., only thing that really came out would have been at 8:30 a.m. Retail sales, which that did affect the market pretty decent. Nothing crazy. But then FedBar speaks. FedBar does speak. I'm pretty sure speaking now probably. Nothing crazy, you know, nothing crazy. I don't know if it's really anything big. Business inventories will be coming out at 10 a.m. as well. That also has a medium effect on the market. So, yeah, you know, nothing too crazy. So, no real big high impact volatility. Volatile play. NQ dropping here. Let's take a look over here. Oh, PHUN. Oh, man, we're talking about a penny stock there. Let's go /RTY, guys. /RTY. Going to load it up. Had a couple penny stocks take off on us today as well, guys. /RTY. RTY chilling out, guys. Come market open. So nothing really happening too much here. Yep. Come on, yeah. So right near those lows, guys, coming up on NQ. Right near 755. Let's see, the low of this candle is 753, ladies and gentlemen. So potential dip buy entry coming your guys' way. With the way the market's falling right now, though, I need to be cautious, guys. I think you guys do as well. If you guys are looking for the dip buy bounce, this might be your area to get filled. Couple points off. Only thought process going into this one is a big dip buy.
Order filled.
Gonna get filled on 5 contracts. Looking for the pushback up off those lows. I could see that coming in, guys. I was able to take a couple trades this morning. Nothing big. No crazy loss. No crazy W. No big play. Taking 5 contracts in micros each side. So, like I said, waiting and watching here. Want to see what the S&P does. Honestly, it's a long shot here, guys. I'm taking a long shot here. Looking for the longs to come in. If not, got a sell order placed right there below. If it hits, it hits. No complaints, guys. But I do see those longs coming back in. If S&P holds up here, those longs look great. Looking at NQ overall, also getting its bounce. S&P, NQ overall, both getting its bounce. Looking for it to push. It would have to be back up to 810 areas. 810 areas, so about a 50-point move to the long side on 5 contracts. Not a bad position. Not against it. NQ overall pushing up here. S&P also pushing up. Want to see what happens here at this VWAP. At that VWAP to a 50-day right there. Want to see what happens there. NQ overall a bit off. NQ a bit off. NQ overall a bit off from its VWAP. And same with NQ from any of its points. So, guys, hope you guys are having an amazing day so far, man. Hopefully, you guys are punching some good trades. You guys are up on the day. You guys are up on the week, the month, etc. Sorry, that's for one of my little logo things. Had to get that going. So, yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys are up so far. Where's my camera at here, guys? All right, I think that's a good spot. So, I switched OBS now because there's some glitch with my thing. I don't know what's going on with it. Basically, it's not Christmas time anymore, and I'm sick and tired of having a Christmas time thing up. So, yeah, that's basically it. So, waiting and watching, guys. Want to see this continue to push these highs, higher lows, continue to push in. Red to green here. Push that 9-day EMA above it. 780. Wouldn't be a bad play. There it goes. There it goes. From red to green, now up, pushing. Starting to get up there, guys. NQ overall helping out. S&P flipping from red to green here would help out. Make this thing get its nice, good push. Make this thing get its nice, good push to the top side, guys. Would be a beautiful play. And there it goes. NQ overall really taking off, guys. Battling with NQ overall. S&P shows any type of support and starts to flip the script, it's going to come back up here. I know it. I promise you guys that. If S&P starts to come back up here, I promise you that. With the way NQ overall just moved, guys, Bink, promise you that. If S&P starts to reclaim these highs, it's coming in. All moving together right now. All floating together, looking beautiful. Again, taking a lot of smaller position sizes, 5 contracts, looking for bigger moves though. So that's the bigger picture behind it, guys. Yes, if you take a bigger amount of contracts, that's good, but you can look for the bigger moves on a lower amount of contracts. So me on 5 contracts, micros, I look for a move up here that's gonna be like $300-400 right off that, right? It's gonna be a good size move, all the way up to 810. That'd be a good size move, and I 100% think that can happen as we have the 50-day all the way up there. Yup, NQ overall coming up. S&P needed to still push here, and we're good to go. S&P to push those highs up. I think all these plays can kind of start taking off. So I am waiting, am watching. I have one other thought process here that's a little bit different, but I'm not going to take it. I like my thought process right now on the bounce. I like my thought process right now on the bounce. NQ overall holding up beautifully. Need S&P to do the same. I have another thought process here, kind of going the other direction due to the fact, basically a continuation of the downside, guys. That's my other thought process, is continuation to the downside. But yeah, man, like I said, guys, so nothing big on the day, nothing crazy. Hopefully you guys are all chilling out as well. You guys are having fun, getting it going. All right.
Stop filled.
Stop was indeed filled. 318 on it. The shorts aren't even a bad play here, man. I can't take shorts because I don't have a level for it. My short level's up here, guys. It might be a no trade kind of day. It might be take the 3 loss and that's it. The first red day of 2024. Just because I can't get short not having a good spot. That was my other thought process, was to get in short there and ride this thing down per the usual as it has been. I can't get short because I can't be mad if the longs play out. There's not much support across the board or across any of these points here, right? Like, we're so low now below all these points that, I mean, I guess our next support level is going to be about, what, 714? Down at 700. So we're below all of our points now, and it seems to be every time we come below this 200, we spike back up. But I don't know about this time, guys. Like I said, I'm not mad. I'm not anything like that on this day. Kind of low on energy. I could use fucking like 3 energy drinks right now. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I could use like 5 energy drinks, bro. Like, someone hook your boy up, dude. Send it to my P.O. box. Put me up with like a shit ton of ghost energy, bro. So I feel drained. All right, let me tell you. YB? Don't know why. All right, guys. So yeah, man. So that was it. Not gonna lie, I don't really have a lot of points, man. I don't really have a lot of points. I mean, we can check out some penny stocks.
Let's check out some penny stocks, guys. Because, yeah, YB's kind of, NQ's kind of done on me. You know, NQ's kind of done for me, man. Until we get back up to this point, I don't really have a play. Unless it's short. Guys, these are perfect plays. These are just higher low cracks. Higher lows crack, higher low crack, right? Higher low crack. That's all it is. Do I think they're going to bottom out somewhere? Yes. Yes. Do I think they're coming back up? Yes. All right, let's see if we got any penny stocks here. Everyone's saying MIMO. MIMO. MIMO, guys. This is a risky play. 35 cents. Your only thing you look at on MIMO is a breakout or VWAP crack, but breakout above this point, I would need to see a lot of things. There goes NQ, by the way, for more. I just can't take a short and feel comfortable, guys. Like, getting in short on NQ is like, just, like, I just don't know. Like, it could reverse at any given moment. S&P is really not that far down. Oh man, let me tell you guys. All right. MIMO is a 28 million share float. Not bad. MIMO, 28 million share float. Not bad. I'm really not that interested in S&P right now, guys. Yo, you want me to be honest? I would not take a trade on S&P right this second. The dip buy looks great. The short looks great. If it comes back up here and it touches this VWAP and it touches this 50-day and starts to reverse, yes. Why? Because my stop loss is going to be right above that 50-day. Right? My stop loss is going to be right up to 472. Right above 472. I'm risking 30 cents to make upwards of, you know, $1, $2, $3. That makes a lot more sense than me getting short here at 471 cents. Yes. Yes, if it continues to fall. Yes, if it continues to fall, you could make a lot. You're right. If it goes down to 470, 469, 468, never comes back up, you're right. But I'm not willing to risk the gamble of losing upwards of 472 here. So you're risking $1 for the potential of $4 to $5. But how fast will theta eat you up? Are you joining in with contracts or shares? Okay, hey, how fast are you looking to get out of that position? Do you want $1? Do you want 10% of those contracts? Do you want, you know? So I want you guys to all take that into consideration. Same thing with NQ. NQ, man, if I get in right now shorts, okay, hey, what's my stop loss? You know what I mean? It's like, you gotta be cautious. You gotta be cautious. I don't like MIMO just because it's such a low price. Like, I don't know. I don't really like those super penny stocks. It's an OTC stock, 100%. Kind of has to be. Let's check out NVIDIA. Woo! NVIDIA, man, I can't believe it. Up to 568, guys. 568 on NVIDIA. Insanity. Insanity. Yo, YB is definitely going bald, let me tell you. Let's talk about YB's hair. A little patch there, we're going bald. Let me tell you about this guy. I ain't risen nothing up. Alright, it ain't happening. YB it's not happening. Sorry guys, I forget which one to put it on for valid volume. There's like two settings to this mic. It's like one button, one click is one, and then another. It's weird. Alright, S&P not looking atrocious. S&P not looking atrocious. Kind of forming that stairs, guys. It's kind of forming that stairway down. Hold on. Let me show you what I mean. Kind of forming a stairway down. Oops, not what I meant. Alright, guys. Right, here's one leg. Next one. Next one. You guys see what I mean? Like a stairway. That's all it is a little stairway. Same thing with NQ here. Push, push, push. It's just that stairway down, and it can do that all day. Until it hit the point to where it does something like this, and then it'll come back up, you know what I mean? So, don't get caught up in that area down there. That could be happening right here. We have that stairs, and then it kind of chops, and then starts to take back off. So, tell you. Let me tell you. I am tempted at the short just to try it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in the short there just to see what happens. I feel like that next leg can come down here. Basically another one of those lower high cracks. Higher low cracks. Tried to form it now, coming back down, back down, back. You guys know what I mean? So kind of like the stairway down. 471 coming into play. We're underneath 471.50 here. If the longs really want to come back into play, I definitely will cut it. I have no problem with that. I'm just kind of tempting the water here. You know, NQ overall looks great for the short if it wants to play out below 1480. So below 1480 on NQ overall, below 16,710 on NQ, and below 471 on S&P. Now, if that's the low of the day, that's going to be insane, and I can't be mad. I'm 50-50, guys. I'm 50-50 with it. There we go. I was like, wait, why is it actually quiet in here right now? And I was like, oh, wait, duh. Wow. 5 micros. 225 on that. Off the rip. Waiting and watching. Wow, that's why. Guys, of course, YB enters. Inverse YB play. Starting to work out, guys. Let me tell you guys something. Underneath that view up, underneath that 50-day S&P is.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get the short. I don't really. Yeah, I'm kind of with it, guys. I'm kind of with it. Yup. Got a 21 there coming down to it. NQ overall also coming down. NQ overall looking beautiful. NQ overall hit me with it. NQ overall really starting to come down now, man. Want to see it crack that 1480 level? It's going to really flush NQ. Yup. Waiting and watching, guys. Want to see that crack 80. A little bit of green to red here on NQ overall makes me feel confident that it can crack 80. A little bit of green to red here on NQ makes me feel confident 710 is going to crack. Not really looking for these plays. I'm waiting and watching. Was a nice DCA, I will say. I'm looking for that 710 to come in. I feel like I got it. Yep. I feel like I got that 710 level coming in 100%. I feel like I got that. And then down to 90 below 700. Yep. Yeah, because below those points there, yep, that red can come in and play across the board here. It's starting to come down. All forming those upper shadows. I can see it definitely coming down, breaking these levels here. Coming down below 710, pushing 700. Right? So close to 710 to the fact that I think 700 can come in here, especially with S&P. Yeah. Nice green to red momentum. Beautiful play. Beautiful play coming down into the play. I love it. Beautiful on NQ. Want to see NQ overall do the same here almost. Flip green to red here. And then NQ follow through. So starting to get there a little bit. Getting that upper shadow there on NQ overall. Want to see NQ flip green to red here and start to follow through. There it goes, guys. Breaking 710. Starting to come down, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to come down, ladies and gentlemen. There you guys go, man. Looking for 700 to come into play now. 700 to come into play. S&P starting to get down to those lows. Never quite cracked yet, though. Never quite cracked yet. Never quite cracked its lows, which is what I like to see, because that means when it does crack, NQ's really going to flush. When this thing really does crack, it's going to really flush NQ. Give me a green or red on NQ overall, bro. And dump me off. And dump me off below 80. Neither of those plays ever hit, which makes me feel so confident. Because when they hit, guys, they're going to really hit. That makes me feel good. Makes me feel good about these plays. Because when they hit, they're going to actually hit. Right? So below 710 makes me feel good. Coming down to 710 right now. Below that makes me feel good. Below 80 here on NQ overall also makes me feel good. So pushing 710. Starting to crack it again. Makes you feel great. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. Below that 710 level, it's right there, guys. Looking for that crack to come in. Yup, looking for that red to come in across the board here, guys. So close on S&P 500. Want to see it come in. Break 471. NQ's coming in. NQ overall. Want to see that 1480 level break. Getting right down to it, guys. So they're so close here. Want to see those Dumperuskis come in. So good looking. Look for that 10 a.m. dump, essentially, guys. Right there it is, guys. Coming down to those lows. Ladies and gentlemen, S&P. NQ overall coming down to those lows. NQ coming down. Guys. I want to see the script get flipped. I want to see the script get flipped. Right down to it.
NQ just touch those lows. Let it hold up, though. Let these lows hold up. That's the thing, though. Let these lows hold up and continue to push, guys. That's what you're looking at now. NQ overall shaping out nicely. NQ shaping out nicely. Let the lows hit and hold up. There it goes, guys. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Down to those lows starting to hold up. Want to see it continue now, guys. Want to see those lows now continue. I can definitely... Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, buddy. They're all coming down now, man. Now they're starting to come down, ladies and gentlemen. Now 95. Now 90. Let's see it come in, guys. What a beautiful play across the board, man. What a beautiful play across the board, guys. Boom, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your play across the board coming in, guys.
Order filled.
I accidentally just closed the entire position. Keep it composed, YB. Keep it composed, buddy. Keep it composed, YB. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Who's gonna put an exit and market and cancel button right beside the button you change the amount of contracts you want? No. Let me talk to you about that. Let YB tell you. That is the dumbest button in history I have ever seen. Get this off of my screen. Get this out of here, dude. Let me tell you something, bro. Did it play out perfectly? Because I got the quite literal perfect bottom sell. Why, yes, indeed. It did. Am I complaining? Slightly. Because I didn't want to get out. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ Almighty, for allowing me to get out. But let me tell you something about that button. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's a good button at all. Well, YB, went from Ready Green on the day, guys, up 289 on it, man. Another slow, up 258. Another little slow day. Nothing crazy on it, man. I'm not, and here's the thing, guys. It's like, YB, well, the market has moved today. Are you going to tell me that the reason you're not up big is because of chop? Not going to say that. Are you going to say the reason you're not up big is because we dropped 50, 60 points on NQ to the downside? $1 on S&P? I'm not going to say that. Why, YB? Because my strategies have not presented themselves. Also, I can say that it was chop. Hold on, before y'all start coming at me. This is definitely chop. Take a look on your screens right now. I want you to look at this good old S&P 500 chart right here. All right, yeah, buddy. Hit me with a good yeah, buddy, if you guys think this is chop. Let me tell you about that up-down momentum, all right? All right, let me tell you, bro. I've chopped onions that are looked like better moves than this. All right, you know what I mean? Dude, I have done karate chops better than this in my life, man. I've used chopsticks better than this. So let me tell you something about this chop. We go up. No, we start out. We go down. We go up. We go down. We go up. We go down. We go up. Will we pick a market direction? Probably right now. Yeah. If we don't, what'll happen? Eventually we will. And if we don't, we'll have a day that looks like yesterday, guys. And let me tell you about yesterday. Was not the prettiest day in the world. All right, let me tell you. So, a little bit of that Chop City. A little bit of that Chop City then there. All right, but let me tell you something, guys. You can't complain. You can't be mad with green on the day. 258 green. Let me tell you about how long it's taken me to pass this right now. Oh my goodness, guys. I think I might have to switch over to them good old 50Ks, bro, because I'll pass them like nothing. Alright. This would be 10% of that account. Just like that. No, whenever they have another one of those little sales, I'll be getting in on it. I'll be getting in on it.
So yeah, buddy, guys. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day so far. Hopefully you guys are green. Hopefully you guys are living life. Live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, love. Combine. Yada bing, yada boom. You guys already know what I'm saying. Kind of. Probably not. So, hopefully you guys caught a little bit of that. S&P, man, down to 471.05, man. 471.05 is going to be that low. What's coming up next? Hey, YB, question. What do I do now? All right, hey, I missed that first play. I missed that first entry. Where's my next entry? Next entry would have to be this 200 day for a short. Next entry would have to be that 200 day. If you miss this entry right here, top doji coming down. Basically upper shadow right there. If you guys missed that entry right there, coming back into play. Not bad. Only thing I'd worry about is that this is going to hold up as it is. View up 50 day, 9 day, all support right there. Going to hold up. You can maybe take a short here. Got to be careful, though. Your short would be down to the view up. Take half and view up. And then if it goes for more, it goes for more, man. Hallelujah to you. That's it, guys, though. That's it. So that's my thought process. What made me get in this trade right here? What made me get in this trade right here in the first place, guys? Just a crack. I seen that I cracked once. I seen that I cracked twice. I seen that I cracked 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. All right, well, if it did it 5 times, I think it's going to do it to 6, right? Not always true, right? Not always true. Most of the time it is, though. So, you know, caught that nice there. And obviously, other things can set up. Like this right here cracking isn't going to be as... Isn't gonna grant me that same confidence as this cracking right here, right? That clean setup, boom, to the next dump. Clean setup, boom, to the next dump. Boom, you know what I mean, guys? So, yeah, so that's it, man. I won't be taking the next one on that, but glad to be up on the day on it. Decent play. Would have obviously paid out more. 3 would have been like a $500-600 day, obviously, if I didn't take the morning L's on it. So yeah, and that's what matters, though. So that's what matters, man. Taking good, thought-out trades, ladies and gentlemen, getting it in. Punching in the green, making sure you guys are working with yourselves, working together, man, and getting it in, man. So that's YB for you, man. That's YB's thing of the day. All right, let me tell you. So yeah, yup. Hopefully you guys are chilling out. I did order that mic stand, guys, by the way. We are having that come ASAP. Like, I got this one here, but, like, I have to, like, lean into it. You know what I mean? So, hold on. Like, it's like I'm too quiet. I'm too quiet when it comes to... And I'm a loud guy. Like, don't, you know, I'm a loud fella. Don't let me tell you that. So, it's definitely just the mic. It needs to be closer. Yeah, dude, I'm a pretty loud fella. All right, don't get that twisted. All right. So, what am I looking up here? Yeah. So you can get one for like 20 bucks. 25. 21. I'm getting one today. I think I'm gonna get this one like right now. Or second I hop off. Oh, there we go. It'll be here by Friday. Oh, there we go. Yup, so it'll be basically everything you need for it. I don't know where that ties into. That looks a little weird. Not quite sure how that works. Oh, okay, that just mounts to your desk. Ah, now I got you, buddy. Now I got you, buddy. Alright, well, this is glass, so let's hope that that just mounts in and doesn't need, like, you know. I have a glass desk, so you're not screwing anything through it. Alright, let me tell you that. Ah, I see how it works now. Okay. Alright, that makes sense. Yup, so ladies and gentlemen, that's YB, man. So, and here comes the push. Guys, I was seeing this, but I was seeing this way back here, guys. I was seeing a push back here, right? I'm not gonna lie. That makes a lot of sense, guys. Let's go to NQ, go to the 4-hour. Ladies and gentlemen, man, if we would have touched that 200 day, I would have definitely taken a play there. It is so hard for NQ to really break that 200 day, guys. So, like, man, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, you guys are awesome and everything, but, you know, oh, man, it's hard for me. It's hard for me to be like, don't trade. Don't do this. Dude, some of you guys are super. Man, if you guys have anything too, man, feel free to drop it, man. Drop it in the chat. Man, be active up in here. Any of you guys on YouTube.com as well. So, yeah, you guys are the good. Yeah, buddy. Over there. Make sure to drop anything you got in the chat, boys. Yeah, because, like, if you guys got some heat, man, let everyone know. Let everyone know. Because we'd all appreciate it. We're all chilling out. No, but my main strategy is going to be using, and with YB Consulting, man, I mean, it's an absolute, let me tell you, website design is a nightmare, all right? But it's a work in progress, big work in progress. It's going to be, I think it's going to be one of my goals for 2024 is to get that perfected. That's going to, because it can't be as quick and easy as I want it to be. Obviously, the whole point is the mentorships. Really, it's not that hard to get that part set up of it. But what I'm saying is getting everything good to go, right? So, obviously, I want to build myself up a little bit more before I drop an absolute heater of a website for you guys with a whole bunch of stuff in it, man. So, whole bunch of packages and everything, so. Yup, ladies and gentlemen, that'll be it. And guys, man, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be honest. I think that's it for the day for me, man. I think that's it on the day. Really quick and easy day. I've been up since, the normal 5 a.m. time or whatnot. And I haven't been trading since then. I don't do that. I don't know. Some people are fine with that. I can't sit here and trade from 5 a.m. to 9:30, then from 9:30 to noon. Your mind will get the best of you, bro. Like, I'm telling you guys. So, if you guys are successful with it, you guys are. Me, personally, I'm not. Yeah, so keep at it, guys. Keep working. Ladies and gentlemen, everything does pay off in the end. I'm telling you guys master this skill. This will be a skill you have for the rest of your life. You will never not be able to trade stocks. You will never not be able to make money online. The only time you'll never not be able to make money online is when online is gone, when the economy's dead. That's when our jobs will then be at fault. But then we'll be back to, trading with squirrels and whatever it may be, dude. Be back to the trading days of different type of trading, though. I'm talking about trading like bread for like bow and arrows and stuff. You know what I mean? So ladies and gentlemen, man, I love you all. So green on the day, man. I think I'm like, what are we right now, dude? I think I'm like 20. I want to say like 26 for 30, 26 for 30 on the year. So whatever that equates to. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever it is, man, I hope you guys have had a wonderful, awesome day. I'm going to be here tomorrow, man. I also have a match that I'm going to do a little bit of scouting and stuff, getting into it, guys. I love you all, man. Make sure, by the way, I'm going to be coming out with a YouTube video on one of my strategies, guys, on one of my killer strategies, my best strategy, what I prefer to use the most. All right, I'm going to be doing a brief, in-detailed, a little brief summary. It's going to be like a 5 to 10 minute video, nothing crazy, on just what to really expect with it, guys. What you guys can use to perfect it, what I've used in 2024 to perfect it, and why it's so profitable. Why it has like it was the beginning of 2024, 100% win rate. Guys, I think it was a 96% win rate with it, so not bad. Not even switching anything up from it, as you guys can tell. Just never presented itself, and I wanted to take a trade. So, going to be making a YouTube video on that so you guys can see. So, make sure to subscribe if you guys have not in the channel. I'm also on TradeCast trying to hit that 100, baby, so make sure to sub there as well. Guys, as you see, the cat's getting crazy behind me, man. I'm going to head out. Hit me with a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. I will see you back here tomorrow, 9:15, 9:30 a.m. EST for some more of this money market, baby. All right, take care. Love you all. Peace.